Assalamu alaikum. How's everyone? I hope you had a nice Eid and enjoyed yourself. So you're all rested and ready to get back to work. But before we begin, can you tell me that have all of you managed to complete your work? That's great. And since you've had such a nice long holiday and you must be rested and relaxed, so I think you're all ready to begin the work, aren't you? Okay, so let's start with the work and quickly take out worksheet number 4. Okay? All right, so you all have worksheet number 4 ready? Okay, so just like we did last time, what you are going to do over here, it says name, right? So I'm not writing my whole name, I'm just going to write the first letter of my name, okay? So all of you do it the same. Write your name over here. After that, it says class prep, and then you have to write your section over here. And then at the end, you can write today's date, okay? Done? All right. Now, let's read the instructions. It says over here, number, names, and their values. So we have to write the number names, and then for value, it means you have to draw objects that show what the number is. Okay? All right. So this is number 1. So can you spell out number 1 for me? Good. Great. That's wonderful. O-N-E-1. So let's write down. And remember, we are writing in a joining handwriting. Okay? So O-N-E-1. And here we write number 2. So can you spell out number 2 with me? T-W-O-2. Let's spell number 3 now. T-H-R-E-E-3. Can you spell 4? F. And remember, we are not joining from the bottom over here. We are going to join it from here in the middle. O-U-R 4. Number 5. F-I-V-E 5. The numbers are written till 5, but we are not going to stop at 5, okay? Because we've done more number names, remember? So over here, I want you to write under where it's written 4, in front of number 5, you write down number 6, and then you draw a dash over here, and then let's spell 6. S-I-X 6. And under number 5, let's count 1, 2. Let's count 1, 2 squares and write over here number 7. And here you are going to write, draw a tiny little dash and then write number name 7. Okay, can we spell 7? Excellent, that's wonderful. S-E-V-E-N 7. All right, and here under number 6, count these 2 squares and write down number 8, because we have done the number names up till number 8. Then a dash and let's spell 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Okay. Now coming to the values part, it says we have to show its value. So what number do we have over here? 1. So let's draw. Let me use another color. So here we are going to draw 1 circle. For 2, what should we draw for 2? Okay, let's draw 2 squares. Okay, done. 1, and that is 2. And likewise, you are going to draw, you can draw any objects that you like, okay? It's not necessary that I've drawn circle and square and you have to do the same. You can draw anything you like. Okay, now come to this bottom part under where this line is drawn. It says, do the following addition sums. So we have to do these addition sums now, okay? So here it says 3 plus 1. So this should be very, very easy. 3, what do you want to draw? Lines? You can draw 1, 2, 3, and that's 4. 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what is our answer over here? 4. Okay. Now come to the next one. Over here we have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have to draw 2 more. 6. That's 1 and that's 2. Okay. So that's 5. How many lines? Remember, we drew 5 lines over here. So 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Now this is very, very easy. So can someone tell me what does 0 mean? 0 means nothing. So when we add nothing into 7, it just remains the same, 7. So the number does not change. So we are going to write 7 over here again. Okay, now this one is really easy. 1 plus 1. Excellent, wonderful, that's 2. That's so easy, isn't it? 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, now again we have 2 plus 0. And 0 means nothing. So what do I write over here? Wonderful. It's 2 because the number does not change. 0 means nothing. Okay, 4 plus 2. So let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4 lines and then 1, 2. So how many lines did we draw over here? 4. 4, 5, 6. Okay, and this I'm going to leave for you. Okay, you are going to do this on your own. So that was our lesson for today. See you in tomorrow's lesson, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.